Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and do not forget to click fish button. You've me Henrik on Henrik's TV. We want to talk about the importance of African unity. African unity is what we desire. Whenever we are living in the continent, we know the disadvantage of being not united. We have problems in order to achieve our dreams because we are divided. It's like it's a less power. Whatever we want to work on, because of lack of enough resources or capacity, we are unable to realize our dreams. So today, I think it is very important to say that if we don't get united in Africa, forget about prosperity. Forget about little peace and freedom. Because the moment we begin to fight one another, we cannot have peace. We cannot have genuine freedom. Because it's like the fighting that is within the family. It's a serious fighting. It's a sign of lack of understanding of each other. But now, since we desire to be united, since we want to be one, let's implement it. Let's begin to work together in the continent. You can see our leaders. They understand each other. They know each other very well. So what's the problem that they can push it further so that we can get united throughout the continent? What is the problem that they can initiate a program which can ensure the possible unity of the continent of Africa? Why should we just be talking about unity when we are not uniting? When we are still promoting division amongst the nations within the continent? Because within the continent, we still are divided through regions. There's a southern region, there's a northern region, there is Central Africa, there's East Africa. The people who belong to East Africa are one. The same applies to the people belonging to the North Africa. They understand each other very well. Why can't we understand each other here within the continent? Why can't we work together to develop? For me, the problem I see is that we are jealous of one another within the continent. We hate one another. Because of this, it's difficult for us to develop. It is very difficult for us to achieve our dreams. But our leaders, you can do better. You can bring us together. I know you can do that. I don't see something like the problem that we cannot get united. I really don't see it. And I believe the continent of Africa will be united. Look at what Trump is doing. He is destroying us. But imagine if we were united, it would have been very big. No country would want to take advantage of us. But today, because we are divided, we can't do things as one. We cannot develop our continent because we have been divided and we continue to divide one another. That's why many countries do take advantage of us. Let's develop this continent. It is ours. We are the one who can develop Africa. Nobody can develop it for us. Our leaders, instead of you promoting politics that do ensure that you maintain your position as a politician or a president. Now, can you please begin to work for the people in a way that you are ensuring that the unity of Africa becomes a reality? Do you want Africa to be like the way it is now? Do you want people to continue giving us a donation and to stop funding us anytime they want? Can we be independent economically? Yes, we can be independent economically. It is possible. Let's begin to do the right way.